I never dropped the idea of the flying machine that could go straight up in the air and could land gently with no forward speed. And there you have the difference between the helicopter and the aeroplane. The number of its uses will be almost unlimited. All sorts of inaccessible terrain would become available. One could hazard the prophecy that our ways of life would be changed just as they were when the automobile came into general use.
Here are motion pictures of the historic moment in September 1939 when the Sikorsky helicopter was first flown. It looks about as crude as that first Wright brothers airplane at Kitty Hawk in 1903. This scene, 36 years later, marks another Kitty Hawk, the Kitty Hawk of the Sikorsky helicopter.
I said that helicopter will do a number of jobs which no airplane will do, and which in fact nothing else will do except the helicopter. A unique and extremely effective method or instrumentality for saving lives.
No one man can claim the credit for the development of the helicopter.
This was adventurous flying in a machine new to mankind.